This video is sponsored by Font Lab.
Okay, what I have here is an image and some stock art, and I'm going to recolor the stock art because it's a little pastel-y and bland, and I really want this to look like it's a fun day at the beach. So I'm going to recolor things selectively using the magic wand tool, and the ticket is to make sure you have the tolerance set at 0 so you only get what you click on. And the first thing I want to do is color the ocean. So I'm just clicking on the 3 different colors in the ocean and going to Recolor Artwork, and you can just drag the big circle here to saturate it and make it a little bit more oceany color. Ooh. Now I'm going to do the tree. The tree is kind of olive drab and it needs brightening up, so I'm just selecting all of those colors with the magic wand tool, holding shift, and then dragging this into the emerald zone. Okay, that's great. Now, the next thing I want to do is work on their outfits. So I'm just doing that same thing here, selecting, there we go, get some of those stripes, the tote, the hat, and that. Okay, so all of these terracotta colors, I'll color them together. And this was Jason's tip, but it's worth repeating. Holding the shift key keeps all of the colors in the same saturation level. And when you find the hues that you like, then you can hold shift and drag outward to saturate them all at the same level. So there we are. I've got some nice colors here for the bathing suit. And then the next thing that I want to do is just do the sand. And even for one color like that, not using the magic wand tool, it's great. Just hold shift and just shift it over. That's a really quick way to just color something. And then the next thing that I want to do is a really cool slider in Recolor Artwork that we sometimes overlook. So I'm selecting the skin tones and I want to just richen them up a bit. So I'm going to go into advanced options, and in these sliders here, there's that little menu that lets you change from RGB to CMYK. We have global adjust, and you can adjust saturation, brightness, temperature, and luminosity of any selection that you're working with. So I'm just going to use brightness to turn that down a little bit and richen that up a little bit. And then do I have any time left? I want to do one more thing. Okay, 30 seconds, wow. Let's 39. Okay, let's look at this again. So I'm going to do the blanket, and we're going back to that same slider. So this is advanced options, and again, global adjust. And so here, let's saturate it and then play with the temperature. So the temperature just takes you to all of the colors, and then you can just sort of sit here and decide which one, and let's see, we'll do that one. Okay, and we have the before and after of our beachy day. Nice. What do you think?
Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel. And for thousands more how-to articles and tutorials, visit our website, CreativePro.com, and become a member today. Thanks for learning with us.